Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to simplify this given mathematical problem. And here's our problem. 2022 times 2022 minus 2020 times 2020 all over 2025 times 2026 minus 2024 times 2027. And bear in mind, we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. We are going to focus on this denominator part first. And here I have copied down the denominator over here. We got 2025 times 2026 minus 2024 times 2027. And here we can see 2024 is the smallest number among these given ones. So therefore I'm going to label this number as x. If 2024 equals to x, then this 2025 is going to become simply x plus 1. And the next number 2026 is going to be simply x plus 2. And finally 2027 could be written as x plus 3. So therefore we got this x plus 1 times x plus 2 and then minus x times x plus 3. So therefore we got this expression x plus 1 times x plus 2 and then minus x times x plus 3. And now we are going to multiply these two factors by double distribution. And likewise, I'm going to distribute x all over. So let's multiply these first two factors. That's going to give us x squared plus 2x plus 1x and then plus 2. And now we are going to distribute. That's going to give us negative x squared minus 3x. And now we are going to combine these two like terms. So therefore we are ended up with x squared plus 2x plus x is going to give us 3x plus 2 and then minus x squared minus 3 times x. And now we can see x squared and negative x squared, they are gone. Likewise 3x and negative 3x is gone as well. So therefore we are just ended up with simply 2. So thus this whole denominator, when we multiply and simplify, it turns out to be simply 2. So thus our this denominator part is equal to 2. And here's our next step. Now we are going to focus on this numerator part. And here I have copied down the numerator part. We got 2022 times 2022 minus 2020 times 2020. And here we can see these are our identical numbers. And likewise, these are our identical numbers as well. If I label this number as lowercase a, then this has got to be lowercase a. And if I label this one as lowercase b, then this is going to be lowercase b as well. Therefore, we got a times a is going to give us a square minus b times b is going to give us b square. And now let's recall this famous identity. A square minus b square could be written as a plus b times a minus b. In other words, the difference of two squares is the product of the sum and the difference. And we are going to apply this identity on this part. So therefore, this a square minus b square could be written as a plus b times a minus b. And now we know our a value is 2022 and b value is 2020. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. We are going to substitute those values. A value is 2022 plus b value is 2020 and then times 2022 minus 2020. And here we are going to add these two numbers, whereas we are going to subtract. And when we add 2022 and 2020, that is going to give us 4042. And then when we subtract, that is simply going to give us 2. So thus our this numerator part has been simplified to 4042 times 2. So thus this numerator turns out to be equal to 4042 times 2. And now we are going to fill in the blanks in this given expression. I'm going to replace this numerator with this 4042 times 2, and this denominator with simply 2. So let's go ahead and substitute those values. So this is going to give us numerator is going to be 4042 times 2, and the denominator value is simply 2. And now we can see 2 and 2 cancel each other out. So therefore our whole expression simplifies to 4042. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, this whole expression simplifies to 4042. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.